accidentally damaged my hair while I was building my hair care brand. Honestly, that led to me building my very first product. After 2 years of development, I launched the Goodness Hydrating Repair Mask. And in this video, I want to share the story behind it, the ingredients I chose, and exactly how I use it to build healthy hair over time. I've been natural since about 2015, and over the years, I've tried a lot of deep conditioners and a lot of hair masks. Some were really moisturizing, but they didn't do enough to help strengthen my hair. I kept looking for something that gave me both moisture and strength, so I didn't have to choose between one or the other. So when I started working with the manufacturer, I knew that I didn't want to just create another hair mask. I wanted to create something that I genuinely looked forward to using every wash day. A treatment that helped healthy hair over time and fit into a routine that I could actually stay consistent with. Because that's really what healthy hair comes down to. It's not about one miracle product or a perfect wash day. It's consistently giving your hair the moisture, strength, and care that it needs over time. That philosophy became the foundation of this formula. I built this formula around the three things that my hair needed the most: hydration, strength, and nourishment. For hydration, I chose ingredients like murmur butter, marula oil, and baobab oil. They help replenish moisture, improve softness and shine, and leave the hair feeling hydrated without feeling heavy. I wanted that rich, luxurious feeling while the mask is on your hair, but I also wanted your hair to still have movement after you rinsed it out. Then comes the strength. If your hair is color treated, heat styled, chemically damaged, or just simply receiving breakage from everyday manipulation, moisture alone isn't enough. That's why I included a triple plant protein that helps support weakened strands. One of my goals was to create a formula that felt balanced, hydrating enough to soften the hair, but still giving it the support it needs. And the final piece is nourishment. That's where ingredients like amla, moringa, and the fruit acid and botanical extract complex come in. I wanted the formula to feel complete, helping hair look healthier, shinier, and more resilient over time with consistent use. One thing that I'm especially proud of is every ingredient has a purpose. I wanted to make sure that every single ingredient included supported the overall performance of the formula. So it could be something that people come back to again and again and be a part of a healthy hair routine. And that's really the heart of Goodness, you guys. I have personally been using Goodness since I launched it, and my hair and curls have been the healthiest they have ever been. Once I need like a little reset, I always refer back to Goodness to give my curls a little bounce back. For the best results, this is how I recommend that you use the Goodness Hydrating Repair Mask. Start by shampooing your hair with a clarifying shampoo. Then you're going to follow that up with a hydrating shampoo. After that, you can apply the hair mask to soaking wet hair from roots to ends, making sure that your hair is fully coated. Let it sit for 10 minutes and then rinse out. And just style as usual. My hope is that when you use Goodness, it feels more than just a mask. That helps you care for your hair in a deeper, more consistent way. If you'd like to try Goodness, you can find it at JANDÉHair.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. On this channel, I'm giving other hair tips of how you can retain length retention. I am documenting my journey as I build this hair care brand, and I would love for you to follow along. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Especially leave a comment if you've tried the Goodness and let me know how it is working for you. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video.